What if I told you that you could make hundreds of dollars from a single YouTube video? Here's something important to know. Finance videos are one of the best ways to make money on YouTube. Even with just a few thousand views, these channels can earn good money every month. This happens because companies pay more money to show ads to people who watch finance videos. Let me give you some examples. If your 8-minute finance video gets 10,000 views, you could earn $100 to $250. If it gets 50,000 views, you could earn $500 to $1,250. If it gets 100,000 views, you could earn $1,000 to $2,500. This is much better than other types of videos, where people need millions of views just to make $200. The hardest part of making finance videos is not the editing or voice recording. The hardest part is writing good scripts and telling interesting stories. People who watch finance videos want to learn about money, not just have fun. This is extra challenging when making videos for American viewers because they know a lot about money topics. They think carefully about information and can tell if someone really knows what they're talking about. Many of us don't know much about finance yet, so how can we make videos that American viewers will like and trust? The answer is actually quite simple and quick to learn. Let me show you an example. There's a finance channel called Bob Invest that started on July 11th, 2025. In less than 1 year, it got 62,000 followers with only 36 videos and 2.5 million total views. If you watch their most popular video,
let me describe a couple to you and tell me if this sounds familiar. They're both working professionals. She's in marketing, making $62,000 a year. He's in IT, pulling in $71,000. Combined household income, $133,000.
That puts them in the top 25% of American households. They should be crushing it. They should be building wealth, maxing out retirement accounts, taking nice vacations, feeling financially secure. Instead, they're stressed. They're living paycheck to paycheck or close to it. They've got maybe 2 months of expenses saved up.
you'll notice something important. They don't use complicated animations. They just share correct and useful information about money. Other channels like Nick Invest and Chris Invest do the same thing. Now I'll teach you how to make finance videos even if you don't know much about finance. Now let's talk about originality. The first thing I want to discuss is this question. I asked ChatGPT, if I take a video script from another YouTuber, give that script to ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite it 100% into an original script that belongs to me, is that possible? Let's find out. The short answer is yes. It is possible if it's done correctly, but there are important legal and ethical conditions that you need to understand. So I asked ChatGPT again, can you do it for me? ChatGPT replied, yes, just send me the original script. So first, you need an original script based on an existing finance video on YouTube. In this tutorial, I'm using a script taken from the Nick Invest channel. Choose one of their videos with the most views. Then click on the description section and select Show Transcript. Now click on this blue button to copy the entire script. Then go back to ChatGPT and paste the script there. The first thing ChatGPT says is this. Yes, below is a fully transformed original script. This is not a line-by-line rewrite. I rebuilt it with a new hook, a different narrative flow, fresh metaphors and framing, distinct wording, and new pacing. It has the same core idea, but a new creative expression. You can safely use, monetize, and claim this as your own original script. So now you already have a great finance script without needing to understand finance at all. Congratulations! After that, ChatGPT gives me a very long script. This shows that the script is original, serious, informative, educational, and likely to be well received by audiences in the United States and Europe. Now, the next step is to create the visuals. As I mentioned earlier, visuals in finance videos do not need complex animations like in this video. These videos only use image illustrations, slow zoom-ins, slow zoom-outs, and simple transitions. To create these visuals, you can use Nano Banana Pro. You can access Nano Banana Pro through Flow AI or Gemini. In this tutorial, I'm using it through Gemini AI. First, you need to create a character. A character style that is currently popular is similar to Peter Griffin from Family Guy. So in Google Gemini, type this prompt. Create a character similar to Peter Griffin from Family Guy, but 100% original that I can use for my YouTube content. White background, full body. Hit enter. Perfect. Now, this is the most important part. Pay close attention. Go back to the original script that was created by ChatGPT, then copy a few sentences that you want to turn into visuals. For example, here I will copy the sentences from here to here, because this is one connected part of the story and can easily be turned into visuals. If you don't understand English, first translate the entire script into a language you understand. Then decide which sentences you want to convert into visuals. Next, go back to Gemini AI and upload the character image. Now you need to type one simple prompt. Create the illustration using this image and this text. Use illustrations only without including the text. This simple prompt must be included every time you want to generate an image. After that, copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it below this prompt. Finally, hit enter. Wow, this is a very good image for a YouTube finance video. Now, use the same technique for the entire script. Simply copy 2 to 3 lines from your script at a time and create images one by one. Take a small connected part of the script, paste it into Gemini along with the character image and generate the illustration. Then move on to the next 2 to 3 lines and repeat the same process. This way, you can slowly convert your full script into visuals without confusion. By following this step-by-step method, you'll end up with a complete set of images that match your script perfectly and are ready to be used in your finance video. Now open 11 Labs to create the voiceover. Log in to your 11 Labs account and go to the text-to-speech section. Choose a voice that matches your content style. Clear, calm, and professional works best for finance videos. Copy your final script from ChatGPT and paste it into the text box. Once everything looks good, click Generate. After the voiceover is ready, download the audio file. This will be the narration for your video, which you can later sync with your images inside your video editor. Now import all the images and the voiceover into CapCut. Place the voiceover on the timeline first, then arrange the images according to the narration. Adjust each image's duration so it matches the voiceover timing, and add slow zoom in or zoom out effects to keep the visuals engaging. Once that's done, your video is finished. You can also add automatic subtitles. If not, don't worry, YouTube provides automatic subtitles as well. And this is my final result.
Most people assume that Moment comes with a 6-figure salary or a 7-figure net worth. They're wrong. For most people, the real shift happens much earlier, right around $20,000. And no, it's not because $20,000 makes you rich. It's because it changes how your brain works. If you're new here, I spend a lot of time studying money behavior, why some people slowly escape financial stress while others stay stuck, even when they earn more. If that sounds useful, consider subscribing. Now let's talk about what actually changes at $20,000. We like to think wealth grows in a straight line.
Alright guys, that's it. I hope this tutorial was useful, and I truly pray that you achieve success soon and start making money from it.